Julia with Rock My Tarot. As promised, I have received my order of crystals that I ordered through an auction with Ashley Leavy at the Love and Light School. This was, I don't remember if it was 10 or 20% of the proceeds went to an animal shelter, and we found out after the auction that they had actually used the money on one of the dogs to have leg surgery, and showed his picture and everything, and it was so sweet. So it was so nice and gratifying to know that this also helped an animal get medical attention that he needed, and I'm all for that. But anyway, my husband has run. He's off this week for his birthday. He takes the week of his birthday off. And he's run one of our dogs up to the vet. Our little boy, he's a Pekingese. He's 13. And there's nothing really that we can put our finger on, but something just hasn't been right for the last couple weeks. So I think he needs to get some blood work done, just make sure there's no infection. He has lots of eye problems, and he needs to get some ointment for his eyes, and just to check. I mean, he could have an infected tooth or something. He hasn't been wanting to eat his dry food, but he'll eat other things. So I wanted Robert to be sure that they checked him for that. This actually shipped from Madison, Wisconsin, excuse me, where Ashley Leavy store is. It's called Mimosa Books and Gifts. If you'd like to get online and check the store out, they've got lots of really cool things. I'm anxious to dig in and see if everything's okay. I'm always afraid that crystals are going to get broken. Oh my God, those books weigh a ton. First off, let's see what we got. I don't even remember what all I ordered. Oh dear. Oh yeah. First up, wrapped in this pretty little, what do they call these, organza or gossamer bags, is a, yeah, this is a shungite pendant, and shungite is just such a powerful, powerful stone, not only for grounding, protection, but also because it cleanses water. And the scientists, I don't know if they were scientists or graduates of like an Ivy League school, but anyway, two of the scientists that discovered this, because of the, I believe it's called fullerenes in it, I'm not sure, don't quote me on that, they found it could clean water, and which is very helpful in third world countries, cleaning the water. So I'm really excited to have this pendulum. How many of you work with pendulums, and what kind do you have? I need to program this one, so I'm so excited. Oh, and look what's in here. I almost failed to see this. I'm going to take it out of here because you can see it pretty good. This is a, let's see where you can see it best, I guess. Right there. This is a piece of watermelon tourmaline, just a little piece of watermelon tourmaline. So cute. There you go. You can see it real good like that. Oh, little baby was packed in there. This is a piece of tourmaline. I can never have too much of that because of my chemical sensitivities to EMFs and chemicals. It's a really pretty piece. It's heavy. It's a chunky little piece. I like to set pieces like this, you know, beside computers and radios and microwaves. Well, actually, I'd have a bigger one than this, or a couple, or a bowl full, or whatever. I wonder if I got more than one piece of that. I can't even remember what I ordered because I don't know why, but this was weeks ago, and they had a sale, not only due to the high activity of the auction, the high sales with that, but also the store had actually had a sale, like a 25% off sale or something. So they had a lot of orders, and they really don't have, like, weren't set up for that great of a shipping demand. So anyway, it's taken weeks for it to come, and I was just so hoping it would get here by my husband's birthday, and it is. This is a little spirit quartz amethyst, if I remember right. Let's see. So pretty. Look at that citrine right there. Amethyst. Really pretty piece. That's for hubby. Most of this stuff is for me, but a lot of it is, or some of it is for him too. He loves labradorite. And here's a pretty piece that he can hold in his hand or keep in his pocket. Look at that flash. Whoops. Isn't that pretty? So pretty. So that's for him. And that's for him. Excuse me. This is, oh yeah. This is for me, of course. I don't think my husband wants to wear a morganite bracelet, but isn't that pretty? Little morganite bracelet. Because a girl can never have too many bracelets. I'm a firm believer. This is, looks like a piece of lapis. Let's see. It indeed it is. Here's a nice pretty piece of lapis lazuli or lapis lazuli, however you pronounce it. It's not polished, it's just cut. You can see, I don't think you can catch it on the camera, but you can see the little speckles, the little gold flakes or speckles of pyrite in it. I'm going to give that to him. He has by his chair, he has started collecting crystals, and by his chair he has on the bookshelf that's beside it, there's a row that he has. He is really attracted to citrine, and for our anniversary, got him a really nice piece of citrine in St. Augustine at the, I think it's called Feathers, and anyway, I don't remember, sorry about that. And then at Father's Day, I got him a real pretty piece of clear quartz that he really was admiring. He's got like a whole row of things that I've bought him. I had got him a really pretty royal jelly amethyst from Brazil, from the Dude Mine Ranch. I think I might have already showed that. I don't know. If not, I will. Anyway, let me get through this before he calls me or gets back. Oh, yeah. This is really pretty. I'm going to give him this also. This will go with his collection. This is, I'm trying to think if that's green or black inclusions. If it's green, it's chloride, and if it's black, it's tourmaline. It looks like it, to me right now, it looks like it's green. So I would say that's chloride inclusions. I don't know that you can see any of them in there. Oh yeah, you can, right there. But isn't that gorgeous? Oh, so pretty. Oh, he's gonna love this. He is gonna love that. He'll love anything that I get him. Oh, maybe this is the one that I got for him, or maybe I got them both for him. This is a citrine. No, this must be his because he's so into it. Fairy stone. See all the little, is it focusing on the little druzy, the druze. It's not really called druzy, it's called druze. People say druzy. I say druzy. But you can see. Oh, it's so cute. Maybe they're both for him. I have enough. You can have them both. I have a God's plenty. This looks like it's tangerine quartz, but I don't remember purchasing tangerine quartz, so sure does look like it though. I'll have to look at my invoice. It's kind of showing pink on the screen, or a purpley pink, but it's clearly orange right here, so that must be tangerine quartz. What else we got? Oh my goodness. This is red cap amethyst. You can kind of see some of the red at the tip there. Can you see that? It's got multi-terminations. Isn't that pretty? Oh my goodness. I'm not sure what all I'm gonna include in his bag, but maybe that. Oh, I got one of these is for him. I know these are really cool. I don't know why they put both of these in here. That seems kind of dangerous. These are abundance stones. You can see where the quartz is, and then all of this coming up, that's what makes it an abundant. See all them. I'm so excited. I hope that you can see it. Get my big head out of the way. Can you see that? This is an abundance quartz. I got this to put in a grid. Because you can never have enough abundance of anything. Money, love, whatever it is that you're seeking. And we're all pretty much seeking something. This is a pin from the Love and Light Crystal Tribe is what it says. Love and Light Crystal Tribe, because I'm on the Love and Light student group. The little waxing gibbous moon. I don't know if that's how you really pronounce that, but that's how I'm pronouncing it. Oh, this is like an intention that's really cool. I hereby commit myself to call forth my inner crystal healer and go deeper with my crystals than ever before. I vow to open myself to receive the gifts of health, wealth, and happiness that the universe has in store for me. I will honor my intuition and the wisdom that my higher self has to share with me. I will walk my crystal path with confidence, courage, and inner strength. I am feeling overwhelmed. I will remember to keep myself grounded and centered in the present moment. I will enjoy self-care time with my crystals regularly to keep myself feeling balanced and whole. I will consciously choose to maintain a positive mindset even when things get difficult. I will maintain sacred space in my home to recharge and rejuvenate myself when I'm feeling out of alignment. I will be flexible in my mindset and am open to the crystal experiences that await me. I will hold positive intentions for the highest good of those I work with as a healer. I will always remain playful, open-minded, and curious as I continue exploring the mineral kingdom on this amazing crystal journey. It's like a sheet of all these various affirmations. Julia, thanks so much for your support. Crystal Blessings, Ashley Leavy. Aw, that was sweet. Let's see what else we've got. Oh. Hopefully I won't drop anything during the making of this video. It's been so long, I can't even remember what all was in here. Oh yeah. This is a generator that I purchased. A quartz crystal generator, meaning that all points end up at the very top tip that make it generate, perfect for putting in the middle. Whoops, I'm not even looking what I'm doing. Of a crystal grid. Or otherwise. Gorgeous. I think I ordered 2 of those because I remember like the next day seeing when I got my invoice and I was thinking, huh? And I didn't realize I had purchased 2 of those. I was like, I purchased 2 of those? This is an amethyst generator. Looks like it has a bit of a fracture at the top. Yeah. Isn't that pretty? Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. And then it's just got a flat surface on the bottom. Very pretty. I don't remember this. This looks like it might have broken off. I don't really know. Can't remember what I ordered, what this is. Huh. Not really sure. This is amethyst. There's 3 of the, oh, I guess, or maybe it broke. This looks like something that broke. Oh. Yeah, this broke. You can see this broke. I'm gonna have to contact them about that. Oh no. That makes me so sad. It's okay, they'll fix it, work it out. What this is. The pink and black and then sparklies. I don't remember. I'll have to, like I said, look at my invoice. I'm really getting nervous because I don't see something that I ordered. It'll all work out. Oh, here it is, right here in my hand. This beauty right here is a Lemurian. Look at that. Look at how clear that is. Oh my gosh. Look. I can't tell. Let me see if I can see if I'm capturing the beauty. Look at that. Oh my gosh. And oh my gosh, this is just water clear. All these striations that you see everywhere is what indicates that it is a Lemurian. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, that is so beautiful. Here's that other quartz crystal. Oh, the tip got broken. I just heard it hit. Here it is. Broken. Broke off right here, apparently. Wow. And the tip is broken. This piece broke off. And I heard another piece. Here it is. Here's the tip of it. Right here. Yeah, that's not good. I'm crying a little bit. I got this amethyst cathedral for my husband. He wanted one when we were in St. Augustine, and it was outrageously priced, and it was only about that big. And I was like, you know, thinking, no, I can do much better than that. Look at that baby. Oh, it's so pretty. Look at that one piece of... He's going to love this. And I think that's it. Yes. Woo! That was a lot. Okay, well, this is really upsetting to me, but I will contact her and see what we can do. Maybe they have another one they can send me. And this piece that's broken. So anyway, that is the crystal haul. I hope you have enjoyed it. So glad it made it here before my husband's birthday, and so glad I got to complete this video before he called me from the vet's office asking me a question or something. But anyway, I just wanted to quickly get on and show that to you, and I'll talk to you later. Bye.